laying down watching this stuff. And yo, you supposed to give me that financial juice plug. Nah. Uh-uh. Nah. I tried looking it up on my own. I was like, what the like where the piss did you find this at? Hmm. Hold on, wait, let me ask you something. This is it's kind of off top. Have you looked at Bookmap at all anymore? I just like, man, I haven't looked at it in so long. It's like yeah, that's what it feel like. Like, do I even need it? I mean, it's good info to just look at and have, but oh, I got you. Hmm. Hmm. Cam link. All right. No, that's not it. I don't want my webcam because my webcam is trash. The technical difficulties of coming back on stream. NVIDIA broadcast. That thing still be crashing the computer. It's too, yeah, it's too glitchy. It be crashing the computer. Uh, easy cam. Why is this not working? Camera's on, connected. Should be on. Uh, you said you sent it to my email? see if NVIDIA will work. They probably got to update. I'm gonna try it, but it might crash my whole computer. For the camera, for the video. Yeah. Hmm. All right, that'll work. All right, let's see. Come in here. God, I hate this. Deactivate. Activate. Do I gotta add this thing again? Why does this mess never work? Dang, man. Defaults. VCam. Actually. Wait, why is that not working? Because I just turned it on. So we should be good with that. Now that, man, it's just so stupid. All right, if I put it on that, what'll happen? Whatever, we won't use it then. I'll just stick with this. It's fine. Tech support. Oh shoot, that's too funny. Windows not. Nah, this mess. This program is just super. I think it's still in beta. I don't even think they released the final version of it. But that mess keeps that mess will crash programs, shut everything down. And I'm surprised by NVIDIA releasing this product, this unrefined product. I don't even know why you're still dealing with gold, to be honest. Might as well get that up. The truth. Truth social, baby. It's the truth. All right. So we had a high of 511. And Or you could just take profit. You could be a responsible trader and take profit. Don't say, hey, don't say I didn't warn you. Don't say I didn't give you the heads up to take your freaking profits. Cause when it bounced back on you and goes all the way up to your break even, then you get negative, then what? Whatever. Yep. Cave traders long. Investor Z said good idea. So you That's too funny. We never should have traded against you. Oh man. uh, it was 81. Adjusted balance. I'm trying to oh yeah. Yeah, but you don't understand how difficult it is with working with 500 and your margin. Nah, cuz trading props you don't get margin called like that. You either blow up or it's either win or go home in there, but $500, right? The NQ, the MNQ is $100 per contract of margin. So with $500, even trading two contracts, that's $200 that is taken up of my $500 that I started with. And if I'm wrong, like like what when was that Tuesday? What's today? Was I trading Monday with you or no? I can't remember. Anyway, the day when the news came out at 9 or 8:45, whatever it was, and we were trending up, and then it just dropped, and I was long near the top, and that mess said like negative 200. I ended up losing like $230 is the point, and I was like, dang. Started with yeah, that's half my account's gone, and I had to grind the whole day, and we made that back plus like $300, which was good, but still, it was so difficult to do. So it's not you make a mistake, yeah, you can't hold on to mistakes. You got to cut them fast. And the crazy thing is, I could have lost less money, but that I guess that mess was so volatile it froze my work computer. I remember I remember Alfred said his stuff was his Tradeovate was frozen. I was trading through Trading View at work online, and that mess froze. And I'm like, what the? So it said -73. So I opened the app and look, I'm like, no, it's not -73. I'm down $230. So I was like, damn. Now I could have folded. I could have beat myself up about that or whatever, but that was the day when we were short. We were short that day, but it was stressful. Stressful shorts. Yeah. Yeah. But yeah, I could have folded and beat myself up and like, oh man, I thought we were going long and da da da. I'm like, nope. I joined the gravy train. Cause it's the GOAT. But for my purposes, I gotta use Trading View via my Trade of 8 account. But I don't mind it. Don't mind it at all. And yeah, I've been debating that on how much I should take. I just don't know. I was thinking 1,000, but that's true. That's very true. Last time I got greedy, I told you that story offline, but something had happened. I don't even remember fully. Something I think I took a L in a trade, and I was like, man, let me hop in gold real quick. My balance was still like 2,000 somewhere around there, maybe 2,400. Now let me hop in this gold, make a quick like 500-600 bucks or whatever, and I got clapped. I got clapped. No, no, no. It wasn't. It wasn't mini. I mean, it wasn't micros. It was minis. So that's why I was like, okay, let me get this quick $500-600 in gold. Yeah, that's different though. She is quick to blow your account, which is crazy. Like, how come I'm not on the right side of it and you quick to give me these profits? Anyway, long story short, I foolishly hopped in gold. That's why I vowed to never even. I don't even know why I'm speaking about gold right now. It's blasphemy in itself. No, no. I'll trade Bitcoin before gold. Silver before gold. Silver pays better. And what do you think? I don't know. Not jumping off a cliff. That's crazy. I forgot to unmute you on my thing. Stay doing that. There we go. That's so funny.
Oh my god, man. Okay. All right, Gold. You know, fine. As long as you don't hit my stop. I mean, you would have to travel 8 points to hit my stop. I mean, Gold will probably do that shit, man.
Oh, she will.
she she traveled 4 points to give me hope, and then she'll travel 8 points just to stop me out. Hopefully, she doesn't do that. But I mean, I see it's bullish. I'm just hoping that this range holds right here, or at least that high at 47 holds. At least that holds. I mean, as long as that holds, then I'm good. 45. As long as 45 holds. Because we need to break that trend line. The bears need to break that trend line.
I think since I missed the open in this move, this initial move, I don't think I'm gonna get anything tonight. This is not
Yeah.
looking, because I wouldn't right now. I wouldn't long this or short this. Now
I
it
mean, I got a
could
limit sitting at 520.
to what, to go short.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I mean, looking at it, it looks like it's just gonna slow grind trend, but
Yeah.
I don't want to deal with that.
Yeah. You don't have to either.
Nah,
You definitely don't have to.
nah, yeah, and I'm not going to. So I might have to just come back in the morning. Might have to trade at work. I mean, because we went up how many points yesterday? Closed out
We went
at
up about 400 and something points yesterday, man. From top to bottom yesterday, man, shit, that was a wild one on the Nasdaq. 440, like guys, shit. I was telling Smith, yeah, we went up 400 points, almost 399 points. I was, because remember when I was like, there's no way that price is going to get to 445, and then that's exactly where it goes, like minus a tick. And I was like, yo, what the hell? The reason why I thought that was because that was last week's close, and I was like, there's no way it's going to go all the way to last week's close, and sure enough, yeah, the hell it did. Wow.
Crazy.
Should have had a, yeah, I know, right?
Yeah, man. These moves, I didn't really understand it. Did we have earnings or something this week from any big companies?
No, not really. I mean, the last company that, at least this week, is AMD, but we know that AMD is
AMD is little bro to Nvidia.
Wix 9, Alfred Wix 9. Ooh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. There we go.
It's on the 5th. It might have been on the 4th. I don't know. Yeah, was I traded Monday? I cannot remember. Oh, maybe I was. Hmm. Let me see.
Gold can be very straightforward to trade until it's not. And then that's when gold becomes very annoying. When price is obviously being manipulated by something. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for that, Alfred. I'll check. I'll check them out. I'll definitely check them out. was I gonna do? Oh yeah, the Nvidia. Yeah, we had AMD reporting after the bell on Tuesday. So we had Nvidia reporting on Tuesday. We had nothing after the bell tonight, which honestly, looking at today's earnings before the bell, after the bell, yeah, Duolingo is actually a publicly traded company. As crazy as that sounds, I didn't know Duolingo was publicly traded. I thought it was just an app that taught you how to speak whatever language that you're trying to learn and understand, even though it's basic as hell.
Yeah. Six Flags. Kratos. I know them. They're a defense contracting company. Yeah, Open, their earnings was a disappointment.
I bet. What happened, dude?
I mean, I'm
Is
still
it open door?
Open Door, yeah. I'm still holding them, but they're worthless by now.
Yeah, yeah. Unfortunately, yeah. When it comes to, I mean, that's why I had to move away from. I had to move away from options because you're trading volatility, you're not trading price, and I'm still stuck on price when I'm trading, not the volatility, and that's what's going to increase the value of your options is the volatility. Price plays a part in that when it shoots up 20 million points in 10 seconds, but it's still volatility.
Yeah. Yep, yep, yep. Let me check out ES. Should I trade MES? I don't, I don't know if I should put myself through that torture.
Yeah, I've come to terms that I'm not going to trade the ES. I'm just going to trade the ES orb, and whatever happens, happens. I'm not going to think too hard about it. I'm not going to think too hard about it because I feel like the ES orb is easy money, even if you don't get like the full play. I mean, right here. I mean, if you got the breakout, uh, I mean, she did kind of fake out here though, and then I mean, depending on how big your stop was, she stopped you. Excuse me, she stopped you out, and then she pulled all the way back at to the bottom of this, and
Oh,
I mean,
okay.
but the thing is with the ES is that man, you're always trading heavy size with ES, so you kind of have to be perfect if you want to make money with ES.
Yeah, you do
Had to
got
be
to go
perfect.
heavier because ES on the live side is $50 per contract.
Mm-hmm.
So have to do the math to figure out a good, you know, good sizing on it.
Yeah, if you're trading small with ES, it's almost not even worth it. It's not worth it.
Yeah.
It really isn't.
Yeah, that's what I meant. MES, $50, not regular ES. I wouldn't touch regular ES with this account.
Yeah, of course, because you would need to use your whole drawdown just to get.
And one contract uses up $500. Yeah, nah. And if you're wrong, you're gonna get clapped.
Yeah, if you're wrong, I mean, I tried doing the math with it, because I want at least a 10, 11 point stop. I mean, I could have it a smaller stop, but sometimes the ES just kind of does stuff where she just kind of chops, and you just don't want to get unnecessarily stopped out. So you just kind of want your stop underneath all the mess. And then there are those times where she does touch your stop, and it's like at least a $1,200 loss, depending on how big you're trading.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah. But I mean, the only thing about the ES is that on days where if you miss the move, I mean, you only get one opportunity to make money. I mean, she stays at the station for 10 years, but if you still miss the opportunity, well, you only get one. I don't know, man. I feel like by not trading the Nasdaq or not trading the ES, I'm leaving money on the table. But honestly, the Nasdaq is all you really need. And gold, Nasdaq and gold, Nasdaq and gold,
Nah, you had it right the first
Nasdaq
time.
and gold.
What's up with YM?
I mean, you got a live account. I feel like YM is a swing account. I really don't see how anybody can trade YM intraday. I really don't.
You don't think so?
No. I mean, if you're taking profits intraday, I feel like you're not fully trading the full potential of YM. It's a swing. It's literally a swing instrument.
Yeah, I'm looking at it now. It's been kind of choppy. Actually, yeah,
I hate that it
today.
does that. I
Does
hate that it
YM
does
follow
that.
the orb? I haven't really. Let's see. Let's see.
And it's
8:30.
and it looks like the tick size is
Oh yeah, you on the right contract? Oh, there you go.
925.
That looks better.
I mean, this is a tick chart, but the previous chart was a minute chart. So, but yeah, so yeah, I mean, if you're in YM, it just goes in one direction. It pulls back and then it continues. So I mean, why would you not swing YM?
Yeah.
Why would you not swing YM? I mean, the prop firm that should not be named. You don't profit.
You don't
I mean,
profit.
they knew better not to. They knew better not to have me trade because I was gonna trade YM because it was a swing account and I was gonna swing. I mean, look at that. I mean, this is YM. All it does is just goes. It trades literally in one direction. It does. I mean, it moves in one direction so much that it just can't. It doesn't give you the full move in one session. It needs like 10 sessions. So you just get into a good spot and then you just ride it.
Zero payout. Yeah, that was messed up. What they did. Cause I was vouching for them and everything.
Yeah, me too. Me too. I went on their page the other day and I see that business must not be doing so good because they had to drop the prices.
Oh, how about that? That's what they get.
Yeah, and that's exactly what they get. I mean, they banned me for sharing my experience talking about I was they banned me saying that I was spreading misinformation. Motherfucker, y'all know what y'all did, bastards. What the fuck?
What?
They was like, dude, they was banning everybody that said that they did, like, if you go to their disc, well, you may not be able to anymore, but I think Gainway got banned too. But they banned me. I was like, dude, I shared my experience and said, yeah, so this is what they did. They made a false, because I still had the swing accounts, and I think they just wanted to get rid of all of them. And they made up some lies saying that they couldn't charge my card, which was a lie. Because not only did they say that they couldn't charge it, dude, you canceled the account before it even rebuilt. So that's how I know you was fucking lying, bastards. And I shared my experience, and they banned me. It's fine. I won't do business with y'all guys anymore. But you see how now they got to keep these prices like this because now everybody knows that they're scamming. And,
Well, back in the day when they had the female CEO, they used to be good.
yeah, unfortunately, that's no longer the case anymore.
It's the telling
At
sign.
3.8,
Yeah.
yeah.
When she left, yeah. 3.8 out of 5. You should go post a trust pilot review. You haven't already.
No, I didn't, but you can see that at 3.8 out of 5 on Trustpilot, and they deserve it. Honestly, this shit should be a 2. Really should be a 2.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah, because 3.8 is misleading. That shit's misleading as fuck.
Yeah.
See, like the zero accounts became a scam. They introduced the new rules without prior notice, and this is what a lot of people were talking about and got banned. Like, dude, like I mean, I can understand. Like they literally, so that they implemented rules and then they backdated these rules as if they had them always there, and they literally was closing people's accounts, yo. Crazy, dude. Talking about, oh yeah, you was over leveraged, even though there was no rule of being over leveraged, and then they was closing people's accounts left and right, denying payouts. It was crazy over there, man. Shit. This is why they got all these hidden rules. There's a lot of hidden rules. All they say is thank you. All I have to say is thank you. Definitely not to this company, but to treaty. What the hell does that mean? I don't know what the hell that means. I don't know. I don't know what the fuck that is. Like, what the hell are you talking about?
That's funny. Yeah. Yeah, man. Looks like not gonna get anything out of NQ. What time is it? Oh shoot.
It's about 10
Heck
o'clock.
yeah. Yeah.
It's all right, bro.
Might have to go to bed.
I'm surprised you didn't go to bed sooner.
Like I said, I was on my
All
way,
right, bro.
but then I was like, all right, well, might as well hop on too, see if we could find anything. But nope.
Yeah, Santiago and YM. Yeah, the freedom accounts. That's what put them back in the conversation. Those freedom accounts. I mean, they're the ones that took away the consistency rule and all that other stuff off of those accounts. Nobody told them to do that. The way that they launched these accounts were perfect. The pricing, the rules, everything was perfect. It forced you to trade at least 4 or 5 days in the account. And then they came up with these accounts and said there's zero rules. And I guess it was just too easy for good traders. And you can swing accounts. You can swing your positions Monday. Well, the original ones, you can swing it indefinitely. And then they changed it with the new accounts, the updated accounts. It was only you had to close it before like Friday. And you can have a position open from Sunday to Friday. But then they took off the consistency. And I guess the CEO or the new person in charge was like, yeah, we're probably losing too much money. Let's actually take that off. Let's destroy those accounts entirely, and let's not pay people their payouts. And then they went back from they were literally in the top 5, and then now they're back down to in the trash where they belong. In the trash, literally trash. Okay, yeah, I think this. I should be getting this short. Well, I have no choice. I'm gonna let this short run overnight. I have no choice. I'm not gonna close it. So. So if Top Step becomes the broker, if they
Yeah.
become the broker,
I don't trust that.
does
Heck no.
yeah, I don't know. I don't think I would want that. And Top Step is too expensive. I'm not saying that their product isn't good. I'm just saying that their product is too expensive compared to their competitors. I mean, I don't buy brands. I buy products, and I think they're trying to say, well, you're buying a top step account, so we're gonna charge you. If I guess if you want the 50K, 150K, we're gonna charge you 150 to start, and we're gonna charge you 150 to activate. I mean, they're the only ones that still has an activation fee, them and Apex.
Till
Everybody else
indicator.
has done away with it. You said what?
Till indicator.
Yeah, they didn't keep that damn tilt indicator.
Trash. Trash.
But Top Step definitely has the biggest community for sure. People from other prop firms go to Top Step to communicate with other traders. It just seems like if you go to another prop firm's Discord, it's not as good as Top Step's. Obviously, Top Step has the biggest Discord community, or at least the most active. Everybody else's Discords are.
Didn't Apex get rid of theirs, or they still got it?
Yeah, they got rid of it. And the thing is, it wasn't even their official Discord. It was just a Discord that they was using as their official one, but it wasn't the official.
Wow.
All right, bro. I know you're trying to get to bed, man. I'm gonna stay on for like the next 30 minutes.
Let's see. Yeah, I'm just not seeing any potential right now. I missed the pump. Basically had to get in from open.
You're missing the gold short too. Could have gotten. And you see how long it took for a quick $400 or $500 on gold? I'm surprised you said that. What demon convinced you can make a quick $500-$600 on gold?
So you're in 10, right? Is that micros?
Yeah, so this is only 400. Yeah, this is micros. So right now I'm up 400. Now if I was up at the top, I would be up 7. But that took about a good yeah, that's not bad. But you're not gonna make no quick. I mean, unless you kind of get in at an area of support and resistance, and then you can get paid really fast if you're catching a like a retest of a low or something like that. But
how
outside of that,
how much would you be up if you were in minis?
if I was in 10 minis, I'll be up $4,800. If I was in how many minis were you in?
I don't even remember. Whatever.
Because I'm trying to think.
$2,000 could handle.
So you probably had. Let's just devil's advocate. Let's just say that you was in 3. If you was in 3, so if you had the same entry as me,
could have been, yeah,
up 500, you'd be up $1,500 right now.
And that's all I was looking for. He said, "What demon possessed you?" I don't know. Honestly, I think I can't even describe because I was on a roll. I think because I had made that within like from 500 to like 2,500 in like just 2 days, I think. But that was trading in Q. Then I took a L, and I think I went into like revenge mode, which is a no-go. But
that's definitely true.
I've gotten that out of my system now. I'm a changed man. We've had NA meetings after NA meetings, and I think I'm finally sober of that.
Just say, my name is Smith. Hey, Smith. It's been 10 days since I went tilt trading the NASDAQ. Thank you for sharing.
Hey, Smith. Oh yeah, been there too, man. It's been 10 days since I went to since I blown my last account.
It's been 24 hours since I Oh man, that's hilarious. Because it's so true.
But
AQ, why are you like that?
there's an extra sting when it's your actual money though to it.
Yeah, bro. That's why I was like, man, hey, I'll stick to the prop firms. Moving forward, I'll just stick to the damn straight to funded because I mean they're basically the way you gotta trade them. You gotta trade them like it's a live account anyway. So I'll just pretend like they are, like I'm doing now. I mean, I'll just drop if I'm gonna drop $400 or $500 into an account. Like I said, the Tradeify account, and again, thank you, Cave Trader, because I didn't even look at their straight to funded account. So when they're doing a deal on it, I'm like, dude, $6,000 a drawdown. Can't beat that. Can't beat the $6,000 a drawdown for, and if they're doing like a 50% off, that's like what $300, but they usually do the 35, and that's like $486. Which if I just do one account like that a month, or just keep those accounts, that's good. I might get another one if they do another 50% off, and just probably run that with the NQ. Or if they do like a 50, 45, I'll probably get another straight to funded and just run the NQ on that. I'm not doing any more evals. No more. I'm not doing it no more. I'm tired of the eval grind. Oh well. I kind of felt that he's gonna probably see some the Bulls step up at this damn trend line. So hopefully they don't. Come on, Bulls. Man, let this shit go, Bulls. Let it go. Let it go.
Let it go. I'm gonna stick to NQ how Hank sticks to propane accessories.
Oh, you're watching the new season too?
Yeah, I finished it.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
I just started it. I'm glad that they did that for Bobby's character. I feel like that's who Bobby is.
Yeah. The boy ain't right.
It's still funny that that Joseph and Dale are just so oblivious. It's like it's just a white male.
Yeah. um,
It's hilarious, dude.
my wife was like, "You think they're gonna find?" I'm like, "Nah, that's the running joke. Like I don't think they gonna ruin the running joke."
Yeah.
Like, how does he not know? And then that's the other thing that he called out. Well, I don't know if you got that far, but Joseph called out somebody else's affair. He's like, it's so easy to see how these people are having affairs. I was like, what? But you can't see it with your own mom.
Well, we can see our own. We can't see our own demons, but we can definitely see others,
Yeah,
other
that's
people's
true.
demons.
That's true.
I thought they was gonna. I thought they was going to kill. What's his name? Not Dale, but what's the other one name? The one that was like in the bed.
Oh,
Bob.
Bill?
Bill. There you go. I thought I was gonna like kill him off.
Nah, you can't kill Bill off. He's too iconic.
I'm surprised, dude. I'm surprised Hank Hill even came back to America. Dude. I'm surprised because honestly, I'm surprised he left.
Yeah,
But
no. Yeah. He needed that Saudi money though.
yeah, so I guess he's rich now.
Shoot. And then
And they said
they offered him his job back plus 30%. I'm like, hey, I don't
And,
know. You kind of had it made out there. I'd
yeah,
probably.
and then he's talking about a new wife.
This one, she won't talk. She'll be quiet as a mouse.
I was like, yo, this man is negotiating, yo. She won't talk. I was like, yeah, really negotiating, yo.
When he said that, I was like, me and my wife was watching. I was like, hey, yo, that's a great deal. I was like, yo, 30% and a new wife. Oh shoot. She won't talk. She'll be quiet as a mouse.
That was hilarious. Yeah, I think I'm only on like the third or. Dude, I ain't gonna lie, man. Watching Hank Hill does. I think this is probably one of the few times in life that I'm watching the show and feel nostalgia. Cause I was like, yo, I remember watching damn King of the Hill, Adult Swim every night, going to sleep to it, watched it multiple times. I think King of the Hill is really a really great show.
Yeah.
That and Futurama.
Yeah.
Every other show is just stupid, in my opinion. You can watch it once and then it's like there's no rewatch value. But King of the Hill is definitely great. My opinion though. Rick and Morty fell off though. I can't watch that. It's stupid now. I can't watch it.
Yeah, I can't remember which season I left off on Rick and Morty.
Yeah.
At one point it's like it wasn't, I don't know, it wasn't funny anymore. I don't know. Like they were trying a
Yeah.
little too hard or something. I don't know. Couldn't figure out. Something was off with it to me.
Yeah, they you know how when a product, when an IP starts to make money and it starts to get global recognition, you know other people want to step in and try to squeeze as much money out of it as possible, and obviously it just becomes a shell of itself. And I think that's what happened with the series. Uh, a series like that, because I mean they kind of done everything, and so when you do everything and you're still trying to run the show for as long as possible, I mean, what else could you do? I mean, Rick got his revenge. I mean, it's stupid now.
Yeah.
Mm.
I'm trying to fix my journal to reflect the proper numbers and everything. I could track everything.
Your journal.
Yeah, the trade journal.
Mm.
But the numbers
Yeah.
aren't right. Reports.
You just need a break of that low, that trend line low on gold. You just need that break, and we're good. Baby, come back. You can blame it all on me. I was wrong, and I just wanna break even. I just wanna break even, baby.
Yo, I had that song on repeat at work. Like she came back. Yes, she
Thank you.
listened.
Is that you?
Oh man.
Come on.
It looks
Run
like
these stops, yo.
I am 70% so far.
Congratulations on that, bro.
Yeah, 70%.
Shit.
77. It was that one losing trade that 230 that took me out. Messed up my stats, but see.
You know, honestly, I couldn't never get into Beavis and Butthead. I tried. I tried. I don't know. Beavis and Butthead was just kind of. I guess I never got the point.
Mm. Yeah, I didn't really watch too much Beavis and Butthead.
Honestly, you know what I probably should do? What I probably should do is actually instead of taking screenshots. So Smith kind of what so you got the Obsidian, or have you got Obsidian downloaded?
What is that? Is that
Uh
the
it's kind of like Notepad but with more features.
oh, that's what you're
So
using for your journal?
yeah, and I'm just taking screenshots of my winners and stuff like that. Probably what I should start doing is actually instead of doing screenshots, I should actually have the video of the trade actually right here. So let me actually see if I can do that. Actually, let me actually do like a test run real quick. Let me do a test. Doing the video.
Oh, so you could add a little video clip in there. Yeah, that'd be nice. I mean, screenshots good
Yeah.
too, because you look at your good entries on those.
Yeah, I think gold is about to hurt my feelings though. So let's see if I can just so I can kind of go back because I mean if I okay, so let me see if I can paste that into the paste that into it.
Total loss 266. Total profit 1700. Gross P&L. So I've made $1,400
Okay.
this week so far. Micros. You got the video? Oh, nice.
I think so. I think so. It pasted it, but I don't know if
Oh, it's just a
it's not
still.
moving.
Yeah, it looks like it's just a still.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm good in this position. I think I just need to be more patient in it with it, because they're knocking at that trend line's door, or maybe it was just gold, because maybe it was just gold not moving. Because if that's the case, what I probably should start doing instead of taking the screenshots, I can just okay, so that's a good test right there. It moved. And I think that's probably what happened. I can just start the screenshot, record the trade as it's going, and then just rewatch it afterwards. All right, let me see. Oh, there we go, baby. All right, there we go. All right, so we're gonna start recording trades now, moving forward. Okay.
Wait, it worked?
We'll have the yeah, it worked.
I didn't see
Yeah, it
that
worked.
moving.
Yeah, because gold ain't moving. Gold ain't moving. It's not moving.
Oh, okay.
It's not moving. So, all right. So moving forward, when we place a trade, we're gonna record it first. Just we can just look at it. I can just kind of go back and look at the setup, and if I just have this database of these trade setups and stuff like that. Um, yeah, I like my entries on these, man.
Oh yeah, a lot of them you caught the
Great entry.
bottoms and yeah.
That's when people say, "Why are you fighting the Sherm? Why are you fighting the the trend, Sherm?" Well, I'm trading I'm trading areas where it could potentially bounce.
That was a great entry on ES.
Oh hell yeah, dude! Man, I don't. I think shit. I caught. I think I was in 36 contracts on this one. I was in 36 and the Nasdaq, or not the Nasdaq. The ES vindicated me with this target when she hit it. 150 something ticks, 40 points on the ES today from the bottom. Just imagine if I was heavy with that shit, man.
Yeah. That was good. Yeah. Let's see if I can get this crap figured out before I get off. Because it's not showing. It's not showing the right. Let's see, just delete that. Hold on, let me see if I do that. Will it?
Well, like I said, I'm not going to close out this position as I go to bed. But that trend line and that low, man, that's my only concern, man. This trend line and this low is that's it. But the way this thing is looking, the way that it failed at the highs here on gold, I think I should be good. Mm.
Let's see if I can start over.
Blame it all on me. I was wrong, and I just wanna break even. I just wanna break even, baby. All right. So at 8:48. All right, so the high of that candle was 239.
You saw what
239. The high.
you saw what Trump said about the semiconductors.
No, what did he say?
Said he putting 100% tariffs on all chips.
Damn.
if they don't if they don't start bringing their factories to to the U.S.
So why did the market pump after that?
I don't know. Said companies will be exempt from the tariff if they made a commitment to build in the U.S.
173. I think what the high was 339. 239. I think gold is just not gonna. She's not going to. I'm gonna have to wait for it. She's gonna make me wait for it, man. She's gonna make me wait for her. Okay, so this was the money trade right here. So at 9:01.
Ah, man. I'm sorry that this market is all stagnant right now.
239.
just wanna break even. Boom. Doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo.
The high of that candle was 285 minus.
It's still off by like $30. What the heck? Let me see. What did I should be able to see the report, right? Yesterday. Or position history.
Okay, cool. But ultimately, the Nasdaq, I mean, from the orb high, it's like 444, and the orb high was at 239 minus 239, so 205. Okay, cool. All right, so we got that done. We're definitely getting volume back in the market. Don't let nobody make excuses saying that, oh man, this is due to low volume. The markets is trading crazy. No, we had decent volume today. There was over, the session started at 346,000. At the 15-minute mark it had 451, and the last time I looked before I got off, we was trading over 1 million contracts. The volume is definitely back. We are definitely getting volume now.
When
The
you
initial
talking
break.
about earlier today's session?
Yeah, I'm just talking about in general. The last couple of days we've been break and retest. We've been trading with some volume. Break high. I know a lot of people has been saying, well, not a lot of people, but some people are saying that the market is trading with low volume, and that's no longer true. The data is telling us that that's no longer true. Because you can see, I mean, I've been capturing the data for a while, and now we're starting the session at 400. I think I forgot which day it was. We had over 700. I think that was probably Friday. Yeah, that was Friday. And starting from, but you can see how before, towards the end of July, we was only starting with 200,000 contracts, and only about 60,000 more contracts were being added. These were the low volume days, and now we're starting to see some volume. So that's the great thing about capturing data, because you don't have to rely on your feelings, because we all know that our hearts are 9 times out of 10 wrong when it comes to matters of logic and reason. I mean, if you want to make friends or shit, yeah, your heart is great at that, but outside of that, nope. Your heart will lie to you, and it will hold on to outdated information that is no longer relevant.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, man.
This is the data. It's not. I don't know why this mess doesn't. I had it one time. I had it completely accurate.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I need to adjust the. But this is roughly the data. Um, it's off by like $30
Mm-hmm.
because they got
Are you
me.
still using TradeZilla?
Yeah, it's canceled, but until until it runs out, whenever next year, whenever it cancels or expires. Oh yeah, a
Yeah,
2 hour
that's why I
trade.
stopped using it.
Yeah, they randomly hit me with that I was like, dang, I didn't even realize it was this expensive. It must be like $300 something for for a year.
Hell yeah, dude.
It's like, all right, you won't catch me again next year. No, sir. Yeah, this F me up right here though. $200.
Mm.
But yeah, I'm gonna be tracking it in here and stuff until like I said, I didn't trade Monday. Started Tuesday. So I got us 2 days, man. 2 more days. We could finish out this week strong. 2 days. 2 days. And then I can
I mean, so is there a way to limit the amount of contracts you can trade in your account without you going in and changing it?
without
I
me
feel like
without me changing it. Uh
yeah,
Probably not. I don't think so.
yeah. This you're at your trigger point, Smith. As your trading partner, I've noticed this. And once you get into this you get into the 2000s, you can start playing around with the contracts. You start adding in instead of closing out.
Shoot,
You know,
I'm about to
and
go.
obviously you
I'm about to go
but
to I'm about to go to E-minis. No.
you
I'm
start
not.
holding and hoping and DCAing instead of closing out because you can. It's easy to fall for that. I fall for it too. I still fall for stuff like that sometimes.
Yeah. Nah, yeah, I
Just
know.
remember it's your live account, man. Stick to what got you to the dance, man.
You're right. You're right. I'm not gonna let that yeah, we're not letting that
That over leveraged devil from Chainsaw Man. Don't let the over leveraged devil. I bet you. It's an over leverage. Oh no, it's the over leveraged devil.
Yeah. When
But
was this 2.5 hour trade? That was I might have been in that from like pre-market. I think. I think that's what that was.
mm,
But yeah, it's about that time. Couldn't couldn't
yeah, I'm
catch
about to go to
nothing.
bed too. Man. But all right, guys. At least that's it for me. We'll definitely come back tomorrow, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good night.
Yes, sir. Same to you guys. Appreciate y'all joining. Gonna end it here. Peace.